Are you a Ndebele beginner, or have you now taken the next step? Are you now an intermediate? Let's find out in this exercise. I'm going to be giving you 15 Ndebele words, and if you already knew 45 or more of them, then you are no longer a beginner. Okay, it's now your duty to go out there and speak Ndebele. Stop holding back. All right, let's find out. So, number one, a scissors. What is it called in Ndebele? Isigelo. Okay? What about an aeroplane? Indizamchina. Light. What do we call a light in Ndebele? Isibane. Number 4. What do you call a rooster? A male chicken. Iqhude. Okay? What about mud? Udaga. Angisho. Number 5. What do you call a crazy person in Ndebele? Uhlanya. Right? What about a lazy person? Ivila. Okay, ivila. A train. What is a train in Ndebele? Isitimela. And number 9, mushrooms. Amakhowa. What about a bottle? Imbodlela. Angithi. Okay, how many do you have so far? As we move on to number 11, shoes. We call them izicathulo. Angithi. What about a shop or a store? Isitolo ngesindebele. 13, church. Isondo. What about an arm? An arm is called ingalo. Okay. The head. Ikhanda. Angithi. What about the hair? Inwele. Inwele. Angithi. What do we call a toilet in Ndebele? Isambuzi. Are you getting this correct? Moving on to number 18, a tap, a water tap. Impompi. A book. Ugwalo. A bag. Isikwama. Alright. 21, what do we call feathers in Ndebele? Feathers, like chicken feathers. Insiba. And what about one feather? One feather is called usiba. Okay. 23, a student or a learner. Umfundi. What about the teacher? Umbalisi. Okay, not umfundis. What do we call a cat in Ndebele? Umangoye. What about a pig? Ingulube. Okay. 27, a bird. A bird. Inyoni, angithi. What about an insect? It's called isibungu. Alright. What do we call a hat in Ndebele? Ingwane. Okay. And then a stick is called isigodo. Okay. Number 31, an old man. Ixhegu. And what about an old woman? Isalukazi. All right. What do we call a mop ngesindebele? Isikolobo. All right. And a broom? Umthanyelo. What do we call a program in Ndebele? We call it uhlelo. Okay? Number 36, an idea. An idea is called icebo. What do we call buttocks in Ndebele? Izibunu. Alright? And 38, the stomach. Isisu. Okay? Isisu. 39, a stubborn person. Isiqholo. Okay, isiqholo. What about fur? Like cow's fur. What do we call it? We call it uboya. Uboya. Next, the heart is called what? Inhliziyo. And the liver, isibindi. What about the chest? The chest is called isifuba ngesindebele. Next we have toes. Toes, amazwane. Okay? And what about fingers? Iminwe. Okay, iminwe. Then number 46, ears. We call them indlebe. Indlebe. 47, a cloth, piece of cloth. Ilembu ngesindebele. What about eggs? Eggs are called what? Amaqanda. And 49, oil. Amafuta. What about maize? Maize is called umumbu ngesindebele. How many did you get? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how many beginners we still have and how many have graduated from beginner level. Okay, see you next time.